3, 2, 1, ready.
Joint Parliamentary Committee within bracket JPC bracket close is set up to examine a particular bill presented before the Parliament or for the purpose of investigating cases of financial irregularities in any government activity. The JPC, an ad hoc body, is set up for a given period of time and is aimed at addressing a specified issue. In order to set up a JPC, a motion is passed in one house and supported by the other house. The committee's members are decided by Parliament. The number of members can vary. There are twice as many Lok Sabha members as the Rajya Sabha. A JPC is authorized to collect evidence in oral or written form or demand documents in connection with the matter. The proceedings and findings of the committee are confidential except in matters of public interest. The government can take the decision to withhold a document if it is considered prejudicial to the safety or interest of the state. So far, the joint parliamentary committees have been set up 7 times to probe various matters, including the Bofors contract in 1987, irregularities in securities and banking transactions in 1992, 2G spectrum scam in 2011, VVIP chopper scam in 2013. The last time a committee was set up in 2015 for the purpose of examination of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, and resettlement within bracket second amendment bracket close bill and was chaired by SS Ahluwalia. The speaker has the final word in case of a dispute over calling for evidence. The committee can invite interested parties for inquiry and summon people to appear before it. In the usual course of proceedings, the committee does not summon ministers to give evidence. The committee gets disbanded following the submission of its report to Parliament. In the wake of the demands from the cellular operators, it was felt by the Department of Telecommunications that the health of the cellular industry was needed to be studied by an expert agency and further measures considered on the basis of its outcome. In the review meeting taken by the Prime Minister on 1 November 1997, in which the Minister of Communications was also present, it was decided that the study of the health of the cellular industry might be referred to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India within bracket try bracket close, which had an advisory role under the TRI Act. In the meeting taken by Shri A.V. Gokak, Secretary Department of Telecommunications and also Chairman Telecom Commission within bracket TC bracket close on 17 December 1997. It was felt that try may take longer time for the said study, and therefore it was decided to entrust this study to some expert government agency. In this context, the committee inquired as to how the chairman Telecom Commission could take a view overlooking the decision arrived at the review meeting chaired by the Prime Minister. The then Secretary Sri Gokak in evidence stated, I still do not recollect.
Stop